Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video I will show you how to fold the rear seats on a 2012 Ford Focus. This video applies to Ford Focuses made from 2011 all the way up to 2018. Most of the other sedans have actually a lever to pull between the cushion and this plastic trim, and most of the other sedans also have two-portion rear seats, so you can pretty much separately fold left side and the right side. These Focuses have buttons right here on the top, but you have to push this one to release it, and then you have to go to the other side and push the other side as well. And once you push this side as well, then you can lower the complete rear seat. So like I said, it doesn't separate, it's one whole big piece, and that's the only way to lower it. A good thing about these Ford Focuses is once you move the front seats a bit forward, you can lower the rear seat almost all the way down, and that way you can get almost the flat area here, so you can pretty much drive and transport bigger things inside the trunk, and you can use actually this area as part of the trunk. Okay, thank you for watching this very short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.